everyone, good afternoon. Today I would like to present the business trend for the Arnott company. The first point I have to present is the business overview and the key economic driver of the Arnott. The first point I have to present for the business overview is enhance the safety and the quality of the products, offering a variety of the affordables and convenience food, using customer feedback and the market research to improve product range, providing value-added service such as recipe in Arnott's advertising and website, marketing Arnott's product responsibly, offering consumer a choice of nutrition, delicious and convenience product to suit the lifestyle, individual and dietary goals. Arnott has been in business for over 140 years and has over 400 types of the product. Arnott originated in Australia and the ownership has been passed down through the family through the year. Arnott is Australia's leading biscuit manufacturer, producing more than 70 different biscuit varieties. Arnott commands over 60% of the Australian biscuit market, with a 50% share in the sweet biscuit segment. Predominant share of the Australian biscuit industry is produced one of the widest range of the biscuits available anywhere in the world. Improving efficiency and profitability of the Arnott assets through refrigeration and the upgrading of the factory, increasing volume in both grocery and the takeaway from home market, and developing a presence in Asia. The next point I'm going to present is the key economic drivers of Arnott. First one is wellness and nutrition has been always a key driver in the new product development, and Arnott is committed to offering a wide variety of the biscuits that contribute to physical and wellness and the emotional well-being of its consumers. The Asian Pacific region's strong sales continue grow up, and it is the good opportunity to expand Arnott in global operation with the launch of the tea times into the Chinese market. Economically stable and diversified, Australia is the low-risk investment in which to do the business. Australian network of free trade agreements provides superior access to the fast-growing Asian region. Arnott spent more than $3 million purchasing the raw material and the service from the local farmers and the businesses over the past decade, fulfilling the economy of the rural and the regional Australia. Australian Arnott's business would now drive further innovation and trades to grow through the export. Product testing with consumer group is the essential, and giving the loyal consumer the opportunity to try the product and ahead of the launch is a way to create online brand ambassadors and minimize the backlash, delivering on the promises of our brand to our customer and the consumers. Environmental sustainability as the key drivers to continue provide consumers with nutrition and the wellness choice in our product portfolio. Open and reliable channels of the communication across the Arnott brand into the markets.
And the next point is the major issue and challenges. The major issue for the Arnott company that we begin were losing their relevancy with family, so in the celebration for their 150th anniversary by bringing out the new flavor of the biscuits and encouraging Aussie young and old people to discover the joy of sharing a delicious moment with someone special. For example, they create their first ever innovation in 10 years of tourist faith and Arnott chef. And the challenge of Arnott company. Arnott share of biscuit category in the P&C channel is 78.3%. The largest seller of their biscuit is Tim Tam and followed by the chef range. However, another products are also active at high rankings such as Assault cream. The convenience channel is very important to Arnott. They want us to be able to find their favorite Arnott biscuit wherever they are. Their biscuit may are great on the lunch snack and they are always looking for ways to make them available in more portable packaging and convenient location. And this is the financial performance in the last 5 years. From 2010 to 2014, the revenue is fall down every year because most of people start to ignore to the product because they want to find something more interesting or challenging. So in 2014 to 2015, company has focused on creating new product innovation and new packaging to increase more revenue. And this is the survey chart of Arnott product. On the left hand side, it is the most product that consumer purchased in the last week, and it is the milk coffee biscuits. And which is the most advertising that company use a lot, it is a Tim Tam. And this one is Arnott compared in 3 categories. The first one is strawberry cracker. The market share is 56%, and chocolate biscuit is 78%, and the last one, sweet biscuit, is 56%.
The demand of Arnott. Arnott is the nation's largest biscuit market maker. Tim Tam biscuit is one of their favorite, according from the Australian report. Fans of the classic chocolate treat a dozen of another Arnott biscuit have been caught in the middle of the high-end corporate. In October 2015, Arnott demand price list up to 10% for some biscuits, but Co refused the price that increased, so Arnott refusing to supply Co with up to 6 Tim Tam varieties and a range of another biscuit. Arnott refused to give Co the detail on this. After that 10 days, Co have to force to accept the price list of between 2.2% and 9.9% on 44 Arnott biscuit products, as they were deemed must-have items it has stock, including the original Tim Tam 200 grams. From the report, you can see the power of Arnott company that has high customer demand of Tim Tam, that they can increase their price but have no reason to give to the big supermarket like Co. From survey with the customer, Sarah, who is shopping at the Co store at Taronga in Melbourne, she said price of Tim Tam that's what increasing lead her to buy less of Tim Tams in the supermarket, or she will buy when she want or in the mood of for them. She will not buy another brand instead of Tim Tam because she doesn't sure about the quality of another brand. Project Grid Growth Industry. Millions of Australians have grown up on Arnott biscuit, and for them Arnott is more than a food company. It is a price of Australian history. The name of Arnott is synonymous with Australia's favorite biscuits. In 2015, there are 155 different biscuits in the Arnott range across household names like Chef, Tim Tam Vita Wheat, Cruskit, and Arnott Sweet Biscuits portfolio. Arnott biscuits are found in 95% of Australian households. Arnott remains largely focused on Australian market. Nonetheless, the company has also able parent Campbell Soup Company to gain a foothold in the Asian region. Current market share. The chart shows the market share of each major player are Food Holding Limited 12.4% and Arnott is the big range of market share. Arnott Biscuit Holding 68% and another company is 19.60%. Another company such as Modern Baking Company, Kitchen and Beyond Bay Cookie Group. Arnott command over 60% of the Australian biscuit market with a 50% share in the sweet biscuit segment. In March 2015, it introduced new Tim Tam range developed in conjunction with Cerbate pastry chef Arnott two more new flavors in March 2015. This move boosts its market share in the sweet and chocolate biscuit category, where it has been stuck in the face of market pressure and aggressive branding competition. In July 2015, Tim Tam range was expanded to include an adult-only flavor. It also runs a limited edition biscuit tin to mark its 150th anniversary. Recommendation for Arnott: economic, stable, easy to develop market growth, and free trading agreement to reduce barrier of trade between countries. Second one is brand awareness of company, bringing of trust into the customer and customer of product as key power purchase. Thirdly, have to pay attention about readjust brand position in market when you lose market share to the other competition. Lastly, I'm not sure to give the reason why their product increased the price because co had to pass this on to their customer and they want to be able to explain it. This one is our reference. Thank you for your attention.